Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV supports Bluetooth and that firmware is up to date. This avoids wasted time chasing missing features. Once done, power on the accessory and enable its pairing mode so the TV can discover it. Now take the TV remote and open settings, then go to the remotes and accessories or Bluetooth section. These are the first actionable steps because the TV initiates discovery and pairing from its menu. You then select Add Accessory or Pair New Device in the TV's Bluetooth menu so the TV actively scans nearby signals. While scanning, make sure your accessory remains in pairing mode and visible, otherwise the TV won't list it. When you see the correct device name, highlight and select it. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept it on both the TV and the accessory. This step binds profiles so audio or remote control works properly. You finish by confirming the TV shows the accessory as connected, then test audio playback or remote commands to ensure the link carries the right profiles. If something fails, reboot both the TV and accessory and retry pairing. This clears temporary radio clashes. Make sure to update firmware and power cycle routers or hub devices if interference persists. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the TV's Bluetooth list and repair as a final reset to remove stale device entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.